This is Thai beef noodle soup. I have this on my YouTube channel. It's a piece of the beef back rib. The pepper, everything hanging onto it. And a piece of the broccoli and meatball. Perfect for this weather, guys. Look at that. Galangal. The recipe's in the description, and if you want to learn how to make this, I have the tutorial on my YouTube channel. So easy to make, guys. It's just hard to find the ingredients. The noodles are chewy, bouncy. The Chinese broccoli galangal, so buttery. Woo! Spicy, guys. These short ribs are so good. Look at that. So tender. Made it in the Instapot. Ooh, spicy. Look at my broth. So good. Wow. Look at my broth, guys. So red. I just love the noodles. So comforting. The broth, the meatball. I just love the rice noodles. My favorite. So broth is soy sauce base. It's savory, it's so good. If you love soy sauce, you'll love this. The flavor of the oxtail. Comforting, guys. Look at that. Look at the pepper hanging on. Woo! And for the oxtail, my favorite. This is the oxtail. I'm gonna eat that. The noodle. Look at that oxtail. It's Instapot. The oxtail. All that gelatinous. Look at that. The oxtail are so expensive. They're so good though. A strand of the meat. The fat there. So good. Hit the spot. Got a piece of the oxtail there. Woo! Spicy. It's spicy, savory, hint of sweet with the perfect amount of saltiness. And that meat just hanging on. I got this bite with the piece of the broccoli. Okay, I can't do this no more. It's too spicy. If you guys want to learn how to make this, the recipe's on the description below or the tutorial on my YouTube channel, okay? And a piece of the broccoli in there too. This bite's like heaven right here. Whew. My lip is getting so big. So spicy. Getting too spicy, I can't do it no more. Right guys, if you guys want to learn how to make this, the recipe is in the description. Or you can head on to my YouTube to learn the full recipe. Happy holidays to you and your family. Woo! Look at that oxtail, oh my god. All that gelatinous. The price of the oxtail is so expensive now. It's like 2 big pieces and small little pieces, about $22 already. So worth it though.